It's like an earth.
Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Lavish Sade. So I wanted to come back. Listen, I reacted to the video. I will be uploading that soon. It should be uploading now. By the time this video is over, it'll be uploaded basically. I need to start looking at the camera. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm not looking at y'all. I'm looking at me, and it's just throwing me off. Okay. Y'all, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm at work. My shift don't start until 6, but I'm here early trying to get stuff done. So I reacted yesterday to Jisoo's Earthquake, the video. And I don't know why I did it, but I was outside and the sun was beaming and I could barely see the screen, so that was just really stupid. I'm going to still upload it though, because you can still hear me, you can still hear my thoughts and whatnot about the song. So I'm still upload that, but this is going to be the lyric video, because one, I couldn't see the lyrics on the music video. The way this thing is set up, I can't add the captions. So anyways, we're going to look at the lyrics and see what she's talking about, because first of all, that video was insane. Like, actress I almost said Jenny, actress Jisoo in the building. Like, y'all know what she put on the curly hair, and the contacts is over. It's over with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick before it gets hectic. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get the post notifications.
Earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna 심장 어떠잘 마치 race car.
So I take it that part is where she was in the car looking like she one of the models from Midnight Club.
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm
that snap beat is so fire. I love it.
wake up, electric touch. 내 맘이 춤춰. You give me the good from every angle. 내 세상을 덮친 널 가져야겠어.
I just what she said. You give me that good from every angle. Okay, Jisoo.
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm
I'ma learn it eventually. Snap beat with the bridge. Oh, I love that. I wish she would have did that with the whole song. It sounds so good.
Touch baby, I fall. 난 널 원해, 네 눈동자 속에 가. hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없대. I think I'm
Can y'all tell which is my favorite part? Yes,
It
that was so good. Like, oh my gosh, Jisoo is not coming to play with y'all. I cannot wait for this album to drop. Yeah, we will be coming back to. I need to find a performance video of her doing Earthquake, maybe at the KBS or Mawa. I can't remember what the show's name, y'all. I can't remember, but y'all know. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get the post notifications, and then y'all out. Bye.